So are we ready, and how is it going to work? With us in studio, we have Board Chair of the Jamaica Environment Trust, Diana Macaulay. Also with us, the President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, Hugh Johnson. Opposition spokesperson on Land and the Environment, Senator Sophia Fraser-Binns, and Chief Executive Officer of the National Environment and Planning Agency, Peter Knight. So Diana Macaulay, is this too soon? Have we rushed this?
Not at all. I mean, some aspects of the implementation, I think, were rushed and should have been done with greater lead time. But I think the private member's motion moved by Senator Samuda was back in 2016. And we certainly have known what the problems created by single-use plastic have been for more than 2 decades. So I think moving on this is not too soon, but I will agree that there are some aspects of how it out that could have been much better done.
Isn't though that the same as saying we're rushing it?
No, I don't think so.
In other words, the ban is necessary, but did it have to come into effect on January 1 without, as you're saying, some of the necessary preparation?
But honestly, Dion, if we didn't put it in, made it February the 2nd, we'd still have the same problems. I think we're just a last-minute set of people. I think doing it over Christmas was particularly challenging, but we're here. And I am personally glad we're here, and I think we should all be glad we're here. Yes, the public education could have been much better. Yes, I myself still have some questions. People contact me throughout the day asking questions about the situation, and I still have questions. So all questions have not been answered. It's good, yes. Is it perfect? No.
Mr. Johnson, rushed, problematic?
It is problematic, but I think it's a good problem. I think we are 25 years late as it relates to a ban on plastic, so I concur with Ms. Macaulay.
What's problematic for your members?
Information, because we're getting calls hourly as it relates to what to do, and we can't say because there's no consultation to let us understand exactly how it will be rolled out. Take, for instance, even the cook shops. They will call regularly finding out whether or not they can use the styrofoam containers. And my information, not officially, that won't be enforced until another 12 months down the road. I'm not sure. So we need information, we need education, we need sensitization, because all the persons that I've come in contact with commend the government for such a move because it's long overdue, but we need for it to be rolled out in a workable manner and not to criminalize business people, but to help them to fall in place and to coordinate and collaborate better.
Senator, the opposition called for delay, in fact, and people are saying, hold on, I can't serious. Look how long we have this problem. Hona called for delay.
Okay. Let me just start off by saying that the opposition supports the ban. We think that it is a worthy move, and it's a move that is important to preserve the environment.